beauty through the first things first. I'ma say that you're waiting for me.
Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to rekey a kwikset smart lock. It's very easy and you don't have to remove any of the pins in order to get it rekeyed. Okay, this is your kwikset lock. See that little pinhole? That little pinhole is made to rekey your lock. I'm going to put the original key on there. Oops, sorry. There's your key. I'm going to turn it sideways. So you see that hole right there, right on the top? They give you a key for you to press it. You got this little key right here. I'm going to put it in that little hole. Sorry. Press it in. Get the key out. Remove your key. And then you get another set of keys that you want to rekey it to. A different kind of key. You're able to put it in there. And turn it. Look at that. Started being rekeyed to another key. Alright guys. That's all. Have a nice day. Share, like, comment. Have a nice day.